wants it. We need it. Must have the precious. They stole it from us. Filthy Labbitses. Wicked, tricksy, false. Oh, that's Master. Yes, precious, false. They will hurt you, cheat you, lie. But Master's my friend. You don't have any friends. Nobody lied to you. I'm not listening. I'm not listening. You're a liar and a thief. Nope. Murderer. I hate you. I hate you. Go away. Go away. Where would you be without me? We survived because of me. It was me. Not anymore. What did you say? Master looks after us now. We don't need you. What? Go away and never come back. No. Go away and never come back. Go away and never come back. We told him to go away. And away he goes, precious. Smeagol is free.